Here at Simeon, what we want to emphasize is one, a respect for what we're doing, which is welding. We started you all off with the stick welding, and in that we use several different rods. As you advance through, you will have had experience with 3 different rods. You're not going to go to a welding company and not see one of these rods. As soon as you see it, you're going to light up because you're like, I know what I'm doing. So that's our stick welding portion. So we run stick welding. Then we left the stick and we went over to the MIG machine, the MIG area. And the MIG is more wire feed welding. I think when you come through a class like this, or our carpentry program, or our electric program, you get more options. We also have welding and drafting, so I don't want to leave those out. But now you have a basket of options. I do believe that what we teach here will prepare them. If they need to go right now and get a job, they can get it. But if they want to go and further their skills and be put into a better financial situation when they finish, then they go to the welding schools, they do well, and they get placed a good job. There's a dire need for welders across the country, and so we want to make sure we're doing our part to provide welders for the country.